Sanbonani, hi guys, uBrenda or Mntambo, and you are hanging out with me today on Kakasi FM Unplugged session. The first song that I would love to do for you guys is called Enza Kwenzege from my latest album, Sane. It's just to say, make things happen. You have the power, you can do it. I hope you guys will enjoy it.
Enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Hi hi. Enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Konke kusenhlizweni yakho konke lokho okukwenza wenze. Konke lokho okukwenza uqhubeke phambili enza kwenzeke. Konke kusenhlizweni yakho konke lokho okukwenza wenze. Konke lokho okukwenza uqhubeke phambili enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Ay ay enza kwenzeke. Enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Ungaqheli ingathazo, mzala yenza konke emandleni yakho. Don't you worry, cause I'm darling, and I got you. Enza kwenzeke, ungaqheli ingathazo, mzala yenza konke. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Hlala kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke, enza kwenzeke. Hlala kwenzeke. Sukubuka ngesolo kuthanda, ngesolo kuthatha ufundisa into zamala zinto. Wena ubuka ngesolo kuthanda, ngesolo kuthatha ufundisa into zamala. Uba nesithando sikubhekile, uba nesithando sikubhekile, and so yes. Yeah, that's Enza Kwenzeke. And iculo elilandelayo, the next song is from my previous album, So Much More. It's called I Love You. And this one is for my fans. Thank you guys for the support and see you on the 11th. I love you are the words I wanna hear every day. You're mine are the words I wanna feel when you say I'm yours. I've told you so many times, now you know my love is yours, can now be yours. I love you, and I've showed you, and I've told you many times ago. I love you, and I've showed you, and I've told you many times ago. Hey! sofela ngitshela ngingoho akho so kiss me when you're sorry so I could feel all your love emhlabeni wona wonke sozabikho onjengawe babe ezakimi bamba isandla so I could feel paradise in you my love is yours and you are mine. Hey, I love you and I've shown you and I've told you many times ago. I love you and I've shown you and I've told you many times ago. I love you, 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 I love I love you guys. And the last song, I wouldn't do justice if I don't do this song for you guys. It's called Umhlaba Wethu. Do enjoy. Tina Sizwe, Yesinya, Sikalela, Sikalela, Israel, Ela Tatwa, Ela Tatwa, Ela Tatwa, Ela Tatwa, Tina Sizwe, Esinya, Sikalela, 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 Ela Tatwa, Ela Tatwa, Ela Tatwa, Mabawuyeke, Mabawuyeke umhlaba, Mabawuyeke, Mabawuyeke umhlaba. It's well at you. Ela Tatwa, Tinage siswe, tinage siswe, esi yam, si kalela, si kalela, si kalela, si kalela swe. Hey! Ma bao yege, 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 ma bao yege. Oh my God, Israel to lily, Israel over Bamkulu, Israel to lily, Israel over Bamkulu, Israel to lily, Israel over Bamkulu, Israel to lily, lily, oh. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.